18th of May, 2023. Texen, a cap made of RPET for Yves Saint Laurent's All Hours new foundation. Yves Saint Laurent's new All Hours foundation promises full coverage and staying power with a luminous matte finish without caking. Mirroring that of the Libre fragrance, its packaging sports a new design with the YSL logo as its standout feature. The Yves Saint Laurent logo enlaces the cap like a vine, a decorative feature which, when added to the technical challenge of manufacturing a lid made with recycled content, demanded both audacity on the technical front and industrial maturity on